Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your update history on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Windows Update on the left side, and then on the right side, select Update History. Now you'll see a full listing of your different update categories. So if you click the little up arrow, you'll collapse it so you can see quality updates, which is just generic everyday, usually more so Patch Tuesday sort of updates. Then you have definition updates, which are pertaining to Microsoft or Windows Defender updates, which should be pretty daily, pretty regular occurrence. Almost every day you should have a definition update. And then you also have other updates that don't really fall into a category. Usually the monthly Windows malicious software removal tool will end up in here, which I believe is run usually every month. So at least by default, I believe Microsoft has it run when you restart your computer about once a month. So again, pretty straightforward process on that front, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.